I'm Dr. Monica Keta, and today I'm going to be discussing with you a very common problem, especially in girls, which is pigmentation of the underarms. Darkness of underarms, though it's a common problem, it could often be worrisome because you cannot wear sleeveless and things like that. Most of my patients also come to me telling the same complaint. So, though we know that the most common reason for darkening of underarms is a hormonal imbalance, that is a hormone called as insulin, which could spike up because of change in the dietary pattern or lack of exercise or sedentary lifestyle. Along with the hormonal imbalance, there are other common causes which we can easily avoid, such as wearing tight clothes which could cause friction and associated pigmentation and thickening of skin, using fragrances in the form of perfumes or deodorants, or even talcum powders which could cause allergies on the skin, which we also call as contact dermatitis, and also excessive sweating which could eventually cause pigmentation because of a mild fungal infection that could be affecting the skin locally. So firstly, what we should do? We need to diagnose if there is any existing fungal infection in that area or any post-inflammatory pigmentation that's occurring because of a fungal infection, in which case we have to use a local antifungal ointment or cream for a period of time, and then it will eventually fade away. Sometimes it is because of contact dermatitis, that is an allergy which could be caused because of perfumes or deodorants. In this scenario, we have to use medication to decrease the allergy that is ongoing in that area, especially by using mild steroids or tacrolimus, which is also a steroid sparing agent. And in case it is because of the friction from your clothing, from your gym wear or any other clothing which you are wearing in a tight clothing garment form, then you have to take care of it yourself. Along with that, if it is because of excessive sweating is something which we also call as hyperhidrosis. So in this case, we use Botox injections. So these are low dose Botox which we are injecting at every 1 centimeter space. So this will reduce the increased sweating component by acting on the sweat glands. It is of course temporary and lasts for about 4 to 5 months, and we have to keep repeating it every 4 to 5 months in case you like the results and would like to sustain it. And along with this, if it is hormone imbalance which is causing pigmentation of skin, usually it's associated with increase in your weight or your disturbed body metabolism. So in this case, we have to exercise and take care of the excessive weight gain. Along with that, we also use certain medications like myoinositol or metformin if in case your insulin is peaking and it is very high. And this is about it. Try to also avoid certain perfumes directly spraying it on your skin, and sometimes methods of hair removal such as waxing or threading or even shaving can cause pigmentation of skin because of friction that is being generated against the skin. So it's easier to go with other alternative hair removal techniques like laser hair reduction, because laser hair reduction is much more convenient and much more permanent of an option. Just 4 to 6 times done once in 2 to 3 months also can reduce the growth of your hair eventually, and also the follicle size. So this is a better alternative than repeatedly going for waxing or shaving. This is about maintaining the skin health in your underarm area. Take care of yourselves. Have a great day.